Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a Spotify artist account. For this, I am going to use Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For this, tap on Chrome, tap on the search or type web address, enter here artist.spotify.com. This will take you to the official artist web page of Spotify app. Now tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap on Get Access option on the top. Here, choose Artist or Manager. So since we are trying to create an account, scroll down and tap on Sign Up for Spotify option. Now you need to create an artist account by entering all of the details over here, starting with an email address, and then you need to confirm that email address once again and then create a very strong password for yourself. Now enter a profile name followed with your date of birth, and then you need to choose your gender, and if you just agree with all of the guidelines below, tap on the square box in front of each guideline. Now you need to confirm that you're not a robot by tapping on the square box. When you're done doing this all, tap on Sign Up option. So you can see that now you can claim an artist profile. For that, tap on Continue option. And if this is the right Spotify account, tap on Next on the bottom right corner. And to get access better, you can tap on Music Not Yet Live on Spotify. And you can get music on Spotify and then continue further to connect with other artists here. So this is how you do it. This is how you create an artist profile on Spotify. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.